In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text in your product description into a clickable link that sends customers wherever you want them to go, whether that's another product, a size guide, or an external website. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the navigation menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage everything in your store. To start working with linked text, we're going to edit a product description. Go ahead and click on products in that left-hand menu. This will open up a list of all the products in your store. From here, choose the product whose description you want to edit. In this example, we're using a product called men's sweater, but you can select whatever product makes sense for you. Click on the product name to open its details page. Once the product page is open, scroll to the description area. This is the text editor where you write and format what customers see on your product page. Find the specific text you want to turn into a link and highlight it with your mouse. With the text selected, look at the formatting toolbar above the description. You'll see an icon that looks like a small chain or link. Click on that link icon to insert a link. A small window will pop up asking for the URL. This is the web address you want customers to go to when they click the text. Type or paste the full URL into the field. Make sure it's correct, because if there's a typo, the link won't work properly. If you're linking to another page in your own store, you can copy that URL from another tab and paste it in here. Next, you'll see a field for the link title. This is a short description of the link that can help with accessibility and give more context. Type in a simple, clear title that describes where the link goes, such as View Size Guide or See Related Product. When you're happy with the URL and the title, click on Insert Link in the pop-up. You should now see your selected text in the description appear as a hyperlink. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the product page to apply your changes. Once it's saved,